Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button to stay updated. Like this video, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. We will be putting back-to-back updates for you on our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the link, and follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. Now, guys, if you take a look at this, I did analysis yesterday for you guys. I told you guys that markets will break these lows, and it is exactly what markets did. At first, I gave this prediction that markets will drop to a level of 0.65, right? If you are watching my analysis back to back consistently, you would see that I was right. Now, if you have not watched it and you are new, I would advise you to actually go back to the previous analysis I did on AUDUSD. Go back and watch it to confirm. I first of all told you guys that we would get a drop to a level of 0.65. It is exactly what market did. This is exactly what market did. Market gave us that drop. Yesterday also, I did analysis for you guys, for the 25th. I told you guys that a lot of people will be waiting to buy here, right? I told you, do not be among those people to buy. Reason is that liquidity is going to play out, thereby AUD/USD will drop. So everybody that bought around this level, their stop loss must have gotten taken out. Reason why a lot of people would have taken a buy here is because when you take a look at this you can see that market is literally trending within this ranging within this level. So we can see that at first markets came to tap this level, then it came to tap this level again, which is not to tap. That means this is now our support level. Then it came close to this our resistance. Then we had another drop that came to tap our support. You can see it came again to tap our resistance. Then a drop played out. Markets came to tap our support, came back to our resistance. Sorry, this is the resistance here. Markets dropped to tap our support. Now it came to this our resistance level, right? A lot of people literally sold from here, right? Unfortunately, their stop loss got taken out. So this is a liquidity, false breakout. Now markets eventually drop. It was doing this drop. I told you guys that since market has now come within this ranging market move, expect a drop to a level of 0.65. That is close to about more than 100, close to about 100 pips move that market did. When markets eventually came to tap our level of 0.65, I told you also, do not buy here because a lot of people will see this level as a support level for buy. I mean, when this market was pushing up, a lot of people were probably going in on the buy, and guess what? It did this. It dropped, eventually took out everybody's stop loss. So basically, with what I'm saying, markets will still continue to drop on AUD/USD, but I would love this correction to play out, finish, then we would expect another drop. So if you are going to do anything on AUD/USD, it should be a sell. Now, only sell once you get a sell pattern or a confirmation to sell. Do not hop in for the sell like that. Get a confirmation first. Once you get the confirmation, then you can now go in for the sell on AUD/USD. So watch out. Follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link in the comment section.